Whoa. Okay. What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to throw a cast net. Several different versions. Big cast nets, small cast nets. I would have used the big cast net, but my brother has it, and so he's gone, yeah. So I would have used the big cast net. These versions work super well. Hope this helps you. Hope you guys enjoy, and let's get right into it. Alright, so before we start throwing, I'm going to show you what you actually need to be doing before you throw a cast net. So, see this rope right here? Your cast net most likely already comes with a knot. If not so, you can just tie an overhand knot. But all you're going to do is you're going to take this loop, put the rope through it, just like that. Now you have a handle. You can slide on your wrist. You can adjust it. If you have a large wrist, you can make it go like that, like this, or tighten it down on your wrist. You want it relatively tight though. So then all you're going to do is you're going to stand back. You're going to put your fingers on it and slide all the way like this. You're going to basically want to make your arms go like this, arm's length basically. Then you're just going to pass the rope to this hand. You're just going to do that again until you get all the rope coiled up into loops like this. I'm going to do that, and I'll show you the next step. So the next step in throwing the cast net is what you're going to want to grab this thing right here, this plastic piece. It will most likely be colored on your cast net. That is called the horn. You're just gonna want to pull it up. You're just gonna want to pull it up just like this, as high as it can go. Then your cast net will be all straightened out. Then all you're gonna do is you're just gonna grab in the middle or to your waist. That's what you're supposed to do. So find your waist right here, grab it. Sometimes it'll be in the middle, sometimes it won't. Just grab the net where your waist is. So then the next step is all you're just gonna do is just make sure your net is not tangled. So then once you got that done, all you're gonna do is you're gonna reach down and grab the line right here in between the lead. So you're gonna grab the line, and you're gonna take your thumb and pointer finger and grab the rope just like that. Almost knocked the camera over. So I'm gonna repeat again. You're just gonna grab the rope and pinch it in between your pointer and your thumb. So then all you're going to do is you're going to grab the rope and try to make a 90-degree angle. So you're going to grab the rope like this, reach down, and if you can see here, I have the rope. This is the same exact rope right here. So hopefully you guys can see that. You're just going to grab down. Then this is very important. So the rope is just like this. You're going to flip it to the back, just like that. So you're going to want to make the lead towards you. You're going to want to flip the rope towards you, just like that. And now you are basically ready to throw. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to turn, if you're going to throw that way, you're going to want to turn this way, because then you'll get momentum to throw it. Okay. So when you throw it, you're just going to want to hold your hands open like this, and you're gonna want to basically throw it like a Captain America shield. You know how he throws it like this? He kind of exaggerates how you throw it. That's what you're gonna want to do with this hand right here. You're gonna grab the rope, pointer finger, grab down here, grab up, pull it up, flip the rope to the back, and then you're gonna turn around and throw it just like that. Now, as you can see here, it does make a pretty good circle, but I'm going to show you some better ways to throw it. And once you throw the cast net just like that, you're just gonna want to do the same thing. You're gonna coil it up just like this, boom, like that. And once you feel a little bit of tension, don't pull right away, okay? You're just gonna give a couple tugs, and that helps pull the cast net whenever it's in water. It helps close it so that you'll have higher chance of getting fish. I'm going to show you different ways. So you're just going to grab the middle or to your waist just like that, just like the first version. And then all you're going to do is you're going to grab down below, and you're going to want to put the rope, not the lead. Do not put the lead in your mouth. Put the rope in just like this. Then after you put the rope in your mouth, you're going to want to just grab down below. So I'm not going to talk while I do this, but you're going to grab it like this. Just going to grab down below. So I got right here. with my mouth, and then just gonna grab down here and open up the net a little bit, okay? Then all you're gonna do is you're just gonna spin around just like this and throw it. Make sure to let go with your mouth like a split second before you throw it, otherwise your teeth could get jerked and that could potentially hurt you. So you grab it with your mouth, grab it down below, start spinning, and then you throw. Just like that. Now this way makes an even better circle than the first one. It's a pretty good circle. But if you don't want to get salt water or potentially gross fresh water in your mouth, I understand that. This one makes a perfect circle though. So now I'm going to show you one more version, and then I'm going to show you the best version to throw a cast net, and it works for 12. I'm like 5 foot, and I'm supposed to use about like a 5 or 6 foot, and I can throw a 12-foot net and make perfect circles with this last version that I'm going to show you. Alright, I'm also going to show you another version of throwing a cast net. This one works for big ones and small cast nets. So what you're going to do is you're going to just reach down, grab the lead line, and you're going to throw it onto your shoulder just like this. Now this is basically the one where you grab it in your mouth, but it's over your shoulder. You're gonna reach down, grab it just like this. Then you're gonna start spinning. Once it opens up a little bit, then you're gonna give it a toss. Now I'm gonna show you what that looks like. Okay, I didn't quite get it on camera, but here is the result of that throw right here. Perfect circle. I'm gonna trace it just like that. So that was the circle. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you literally the best version for throwing a cast net. But before I show you that really good version, I'm gonna show you a version kind of like the last one that's super good, but this version is for bigger nets, and that's how you make perfect pancakes. So this version is for bigger nets. It is a little more complicated, but it is the best way to throw a cast net, basically. So you're gonna make sure you don't have any tangles, which what I like to do, if you saw, I just spin around and you can see tangles, but this will get out tangles if you spin around too. So all you're gonna do, you're just gonna grab it again, middle of your waist. You're gonna reach down, grab the rope. You're gonna pass it to this hand, pointer finger and thumb, pinch it. You're gonna grab down below again, just like you would with the first version. So then you're gonna flip it just like the first version, flip it to the inside. Then instead of passing it like this, you're gonna twist it like that. I don't know if you saw what I did there. So you're gonna have the rope like this, you're gonna twist it like that, and then you're gonna add it, you're gonna pinch it with this finger as well. So then all you're gonna do is, there's 2 more steps basically. So you got it on this side. Now you're gonna reach to the opposite side, the one the farthest to you. You're gonna grab the bottom, you're gonna flip the lead towards you, then you're gonna twist it once again, pass it to this finger, and this is the last time you're gonna do the same thing. You're just gonna reach down just like this, flip it to the inside, and this way the net is already basically opened up. This is a little overkill for a small net. So this is the way that you should use for big nets, like the 12-foot one. So this is the way, and I'm going to show you, and it will make perfect circle. There we go. So you could not tell, but whenever it hit the ground, it was a perfect circle. So I'm going to show you a similar way that you can use for smaller cast nets. Again, the version that I just showed you is more for bigger nets, but I'm going to show you the way for the small version. Super quick, and it makes very good circles. So I'm going to show you that right now. So this is the version that I recommend for smaller nets, such as this 5-foot net. So all you're going to do is just grab again by the waist. You're going to reach down, You're gonna grab the lead, or sorry, no, do not grab the lead. Grab the rope next to the lead. You're gonna pinch it in between your pointer finger and your thumb, just like that. Then, instead of grabbing here, you're gonna reach to the far side. So you're gonna reach down just like that. So again, you're gonna reach to the far side of you. Then all you're gonna do is, again, you're just gonna flip the net in just like normal. You're gonna twist it, pinch it in between your pointer finger and your thumb. Then you're gonna grab the side that's closest to you. You're gonna flip the lead line in, and then you're gonna pinch it in between your pointer and your middle, or your pointer and your thumb. Then you're gonna reach down and grab it once more, and then I'm gonna show you the result of this throw. So again, the camera probably didn't pick it up, but I promise you that is the best way to throw the castnet. I'm gonna show you it one more time, and you guys can rewatch this video to hopefully, so you guys can get it down. But this is the best way. So I'm gonna show you one more time. You're gonna reach down, grab it, pinch it in between your two fingers, reach to the far side, not this side, far side, just like this. Then you're gonna flip the lead towards you. You're gonna twist it just like this, pinch it in between, and you're gonna reach to the side closest to you, flip the lead line towards you again. Got a little tangled, just like that. Then again, you're gonna pass it to this hand. You're gonna reach down one more time and grab here, and then you're just gonna twist your body and throw it, just like that. And then you'll get yourself a perfect circle. Again, it bounces, so it doesn't look that good. But yeah, that's how I recommend throwing a cast net. I showed you basically all the versions I know, the best versions that I do know. So I hope this helped you guys. Again, if this does not work for you, you might want to rewatch the video. Maybe I did not explain it as good as I thought I would. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not already, subscribe down below, leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!